Alright, small animals, welcome to week 4 with the modified version here. That's going to cover April 20th through 24th, and our learning targets are going to be to research responding procedures for pet first aid and CPR, and to create a pet first aid kit to prepare for emergency situations. Our ongoing project is going to be our SAE project. If you have any questions, you should contact Ms. Seibert or myself if you have my email. Otherwise, she can get a hold of me too. Everything's going to be due Friday night at midnight over here. So make sure you're turning them into the Google Forms so that I have access to them and can grade them. So if you share them, I won't have access, and then I can't grade them, and then it's just a whole process that we have to go through. So Google Forms is nice. It puts it all in one spot for us so we can go through everything. So if you're on the modified track, this is your weekly plan. We're going to continue working on those pet first aid and CPR pocketbooks. So day 4, we're going to cover choking. So you need to research that and how to respond to that in your dog or your cat, whichever one you're doing your book for. Day 5 is going to be heat stroke, and day 6 is going to be poisons. So once you finish those all 6 days, you can turn your PowerPoint pocketbook thing into this form right here. And then Thursday, we're going to do a first aid kit assignment. So if you open this link, it'll pull open that assignment for you and what you have to do for that. If you want video instructions on how to do this assignment, that's going to be in this link right here. I've recorded that for you. And make sure you follow the modified instructions, which means you'll just have at least 10 items in your first aid kit. So once you have completed that, you can turn it into the form below right here. And then your Friday assignment is going to be your at-home animals, and you're going to turn that in right here. So as we get to week 4, some of you may be struggling to find some animals that you need to do for this because you might not have 4 animals at home, and that's totally okay. I would encourage you to reach out to some other teachers that you know. You can ask Miss Seibert, you can ask me. A lot of us know people with animals that would be willing to do an interview with you and would be willing to help you set that up. Or we can get you in touch with somebody that would have an animal so that you could do your assignment. So, yeah, if you need help, make sure you reach out to that. Either, again, Miss Seibert, myself, Miss Monahan's been doing awesome and helping all of you guys. So hopefully you have everything that you need to succeed this week. I believe in you, and you guys are doing awesome. Good luck with this week's assignments.